Hi guys, floor jacks are a must-have tool for any home mechanic. Even your most basic DIY jobs need a floor jack. Surprisingly, these seemingly simple tools are a bit more complicated than you might first consider. These machines range in material, weight, and height, all of which have a significant impact on how they work. The saddle can even be formed in different ways. Luckily, picking the perfect car jack for your workshop doesn't have to be complicated when you have some basic information at your disposal. We put together this complete guide that includes everything from product reviews to essential factors to consider while shopping. This article will provide you with everything you need to know about choosing the perfect floor jack. So, let's get started. Number 10, ProLift F767 Gray Low Profile. This floor jacks is here with the 26% price off. Now you can get it at around $88. Features of this product: the ProLift F767 Low Profile Floor Jack landed at the bottom of our list for a couple of different reasons. Firstly, it can only hold 2 tons of weight. This is the lowest capacity on this list. This will allow you to lift most medium-sized cars, but anything more significant than that, and you might run into a problem. For instance, most pickup trucks weigh just under 2 tons. A Ford F-150 weighs more than 2 tons, putting it out of this jack's range. The hydraulic system on this lift also seems poorly put together. It is not very durable at all, so don't expect it to last a very long time. It is not a reliable lift by any means. There are also many reports of this lift arriving broken or in pieces. That is a significant reason why this lift is so low on our list. The next is Number 9, Jack, 2.5-ton W1640. Now you can get it at around $72. At first, the low price of the Performance Tool 2.5-ton capacity floor jack piqued our interest. However, once again, you're getting what you pay for. The capacity of this floor jack is only 2.5 tons. That is far lower than most of the other jacks we reviewed. Our number 1 pick even has a capacity of 3.5 tons, far higher than this one's capacity. That alone set off some red flags and let us know that this jack likely wasn't very high quality. As we dug deeper, we found a few other problems as well. It is very sensitive to lowering, which can be dangerous. There are some reports of injury because of this defect. The handle also slips easily out of place while you are raising the car. That isn't helpful one bit. Also, to open the relief valve, you have to use a screwdriver. We have no idea who thought this was a good idea, but it just isn't. The next is Number 8, Hein-Werner HW93642 Blue. Now you can get it at around $448. The Hein-Werner hydraulic floor jack is made in the USA, so we'd expect the quality to be a bit better than most. However, this sadly does not appear to be the case. It is made out of cast iron, which is extremely heavy. This isn't the wrong material to use, but it isn't one of our favorites either. Steel and aluminum tend to work much better. Despite this, there were a few useful features we noticed right away. The side plates are flagged, which provides some stability, and the frame is wide for the same reason. We did like the U-shaped joint for precise load control as well. However, the cons began to outweigh the pros quite easily. This pump seems not to work more than it does. Defective parts are widespread, and the odds of you getting a jack that just doesn't work is high. For this reason, we just couldn't recommend it any further up in the list. Plus, it is quite expensive as well. The value just isn't there. The next is Number 7, Arcan Jack with ratcheting design. This floor jacks is here with the 28% price off. Now you can get it at around $100. At first glance, the Arcan low-profile steel floor jack looks quite good. It comes with a dual pump piston, allowing you to raise your vehicle much faster. It also has a low-profile frame for secure storage. We also found that it worked nicely for vehicles that were lower to the ground than most. It is made out of steel like most jacks, which is a durable material. The saddle is made of rubber to protect your car from wear and tear. Surprisingly, this is a decently rare feature and one that we particularly liked. It has bypass valves to prevent it from being overloaded and a two-piece handle for storage purposes. However, after some use, it isn't hard to tell that the rubber saddle is quite soft. It can begin to rub off very quickly, which makes us question the overall lifespan of this jack. We don't expect it to last long. The bar tends to get stuck a bit during releases as well, so turning the valve off takes a specific touch. This may be difficult for beginners to figure out. The next is Number 6, Compact Aluminum Racing Jack. This floor jacks is here with the 7% price off. Now you can get it at around $106. This compact racing floor jack is made by Pittsburgh, which is a lesser-known company. This machine is very inexpensive. However, in this case, you're getting what you pay for. This jack can do its job, but it isn't going to do it particularly well. It is constructed out of durable, aircraft aluminum. This is pretty sturdy and decently lightweight as well. It is much more lightweight than floor jacks that are made out of steel. The handle is also made out of aluminum and is knurled. This feature makes it easy to maintain a steady grip. We like that the design was compact enough for secure storage as well. You cannot purchase spare parts of this jack, which is a significant downside. If it breaks, it breaks. You'll have to purchase another whole jack. Because of this, this jack may be cheap up front, but it may cost you money in the long run. The next is Number 5, Arcan Jack with ratcheting design. Now you can get it at around $240. While we didn't dislike the Craftsman ton service jack, we didn't particularly like it either. It's just your basic, run-of-the-mill floor jack. It is decently easy to operate in that it is very simply built, so you really can't mess it up. The handle is easy to grip, which was a nice feature. Plus, the whole thing is made out of steel, which is pretty nice as well. The total lift range is pretty extensive, though not as large as some of the other jacks we reviewed. Still, we felt that it could get plenty high for most uses. This floor jack is made in China, and there are more than a few quality issues. There are many reports of the jack arriving broken or the box being bent up. While this isn't a problem with the machine itself, you can't use a floor jack that's broken on arrival. Furthermore, we're worried about something minor breaking in shipment, causing a potentially dangerous situation when you go to use it. The next is Number 4, Myers Tire Supply 3.5 ton. Now you can get it at around $450. The Pittsburgh Automotive Steel Car Jack is made with industrial-grade materials, making it quite durable. The dual parallel pumping system makes lifting cars extremely easy and requires fewer pumps. The universal joint release is also nice, as it provided precise load control no matter where the handle position is. The casters are extra wide for more stability. While this feature was nice to have, it probably won't be much use in your average home setting. The construction is precision welded, so you can rest assured that it isn't going to be coming apart anytime soon. There were a few things we didn't like about this floor jack, though, which is why it is only number 4 on our list. There are just a few design flaws on the machine. The cover plate seems to be smaller than the area it was meant to cover. The screws used to keep it on appear to be ordinary, not the precise screws you would expect. The next is Number 3, Arcan Jack with ratcheting design. Now you can get it at around $362 for those who spend a lot of time doing mechanical work. You may want to consider purchasing the Arcan ALJ3T aluminum floor jack. It is a bit more expensive than the others we reviewed. However, it comes with many great features that make the price worth it in some situations. It is designed out of aircraft-grade aluminum, which is durable and lightweight. It is much lighter than most other floor jacks, making it much easier to move around. The dual pump pistons allow you to race cars very quickly, and the strong arm increases the machine's strength and durability. You can expect this jack to last you quite a long time. The saddle is made out of rubber, which helps protect your car. Plus, the handle has a foam bumper on it as well. The side mount handle allows you to position the machine more easily. The next is Number 2, Big Red TA3006 Torin Hydraulic Trolley. This floor jacks is here with the 35% price off. Now you can get it at around $74. The Torin Big Red hydraulic floor jack is made of heavy-duty steel. This material is about as good as you can get, providing plenty of durability and longevity. You can expect this floor jack to last you for quite a while. It has a 3-ton capacity, which is slightly less than our top pick. However, we don't think that most homeowners will be missing that last half of a ton. This is fine for most basic mechanic work, and we think it's the best floor jack for the money. It has 2 large steel casters and a swivel caster to help with maneuverability. We prefer swivel designs, where possible. They're just so much easier to use in most cases. The extra long neck saves you some lifting time, especially when you're lifting vehicles that are a bit higher off the ground. To begin with, like many high-quality floor jacks, the next is Number 1, Blackhawk B6350 Black. This floor jacks is here with the 16% price off. Now you can get it at around $210. Features of this product: it has a 3.5-ton capacity, which is more than enough for most homeowners and mechanics. Unless you're working on something massive, you won't need a floor jack with a higher capacity than this. A built-in internal safety valve ensures that it is safe at all times and prevents accidents. You can never go wrong with added safety. The swivel saddle allows you to position the jack right where you need it quickly and prevents accidents as well, which is something we can always get behind. We particularly liked that this jack includes a bypass system that prevents the machine from being damaged if you accidentally overpump it. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners, who are likely going to be more prone to overpumping. Overall, this floor jack is made to lift whatever you need off the floor quickly. However, like all floor jacks, it is not made to hold stuff for an extended period, so you'll need a separate machine for that. So this is the best option for you to buy.